One of the first steps in understanding a language is knowing the tense of a statement. Is it past, present, or future? Ran, was running, runs, is running, and will run gives you an action and its tense. In the Samoan language and practically all Pasifika languages, we use tense markers to indicate the tense. The tense is a separate particle stated before the main action, and it tells you whether we're speaking in the past, the present, or the future. The verb tamoe means to run. To give it a tense, we can state it in the past, na tamoe, ran, sa tamoe, was running. Notice they're both past tense, but the sa tense indicates that the action is still happening. Like I'm telling my story and then I say, he was running across the street when I saw him. Was running. It's in the past, but the action is still going on in my story. Present tense, e tamoe, runs, like she runs a mile every morning. Ua tamoe, has ran or has run. It's an update or a change in the situation. Like she was standing here, but now ua tamoe letene, has run the girl, or the girl has run. And then olo'o tamoe, is running, presently running. And then the future tense is ole'a tamoe, will run. Tense markers are often omitted when the tense is already understood or when commands are given. Remember, we're starting this series with tense and action because a lot of Samoan sentences are stated this way: tense, action, and then the doer of the action after that, or the subject. For more information on other Samoan tense markers, go on the Mato Samoa section of PacificaPages.net or download the app on Google Play and Apple Store.